leaving to all. This evening again. Yeah. This evening I'm in the Orange area. Once again. At the Everton Beach from the boat. On the ABC Highway. Which is sponsored by First Caribbean Bank. Orange is one of the busiest commercial areas in Barbados, outside of Bridgetown. Warren is also a place where businesses are moving out of town into the area. Again, this is the First Caribbean Bank headquarters at the Michael Mansell building, which was the former Warren's Great House. So Warren is at the center of the island and is in close proximity to the parish of St. Thomas. Here you can see the Warren's Eunice Gibson Polyclinic, which is best referred to as the Warren's Polyclinic. It was built in the 1970s under the leadership of Barbados' first Prime Minister Barbados, but he said it was too close to the road, so he decided to change it into a polyclinic. It was meant to be a crematorium, but he said it was too close to the road, so he decided to change it into a polyclinic. This polyclinic will serve residents from the parish of St. Thomas and a neighboring community. So this section of the Orange area will take you back to Price Smart, and back to Green Hill, and back to Bridgetown. And the left turn here will take you back to the south and east of the island via the ABC Highway. And this right left turn here will take you back to the north and west of the island via the ABC and Ronamap Highway. And you can see the Digicel head office, which is at the Williams Towers. This is the head office for Digicel in Barbados, and this is the massive Dome Mall here in the background, which was once BS&T Motors. So many years ago, Warren was mainly used for agriculture until the mid to late 90s, when the area started to develop into a business and commercial area. So years ago, Warren was mainly sugarcane and agriculture, but now it is a place, a business hub in Barbados. In the backdrop here, the Dunhill Signal Station, which is in St. George. When you're at Dunhill Signal Station, you can see all into the Warren area. And this section of the road here will take you back to Jackson and into the parish of St. Thomas. First Caribbean Bank headquarters. So the ABC Highway starts from the Bryan Adams International Airport and will end at University of the West Indies at KFA campus. The ABC Highway was the plan of Barbados' second Prime Minister, Adams, for easy access for motorists to get to industrial estates across the island. It started in the early to mid 80s and was completed by 1989. But he did not live to see the highway completed. He died 4 years before the highway completed. Tom Adams died in 1985 and the highway was completed in 1989. Lucky now, yeah. Thank you guys for watching and have a blessed evening.